Today we are going to talk about honeybee. So today we are going to learn something about a honeybee and what honeybee is like. As you can see in this picture, this is how a honeybee looks like. A honeybee falls into the category of insects. Honeybees lives together in a hive where they go ahead and then produce honey as well. Honeybees are very hardworking insects that work together in a group. They collect nectar from flowers, and using those flowers' nectar, they produce honey. A honeybee, as you can see, have yellow and black stripes. A honeybee, as you can see, has 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings. For more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe to Small Wonderland.